Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
It's okay. Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any...
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Uh, in my sister,
Your sister
my
working
cousin.
here?
Yes, ma'am, and my cousin.
Do you know which place they were designated?
Ma'am, no.
Okay. Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I am Faye Kisiwan Agayo. I am 25 years old. I am married and have two children, one boy and one girl. They are 5 years old and 2 years and 3 months, ma'am.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you. Why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Uh, because Malaysia is a good country.
Okay, how you know that Malaysia is a good country? You haven't been here.
Because my cousin and my sister is there working.
Okay, so this is your first time working abroad, right? So who will going to take care of your two children? Your two children is still young, still small. Who will
My
going to take care of them?
my husband and my mother,
How old is
my
your
sibling.
husband and what is his occupation?
She is 28 years old and he is working at the garden.
Okay, what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
Fifth,
52. Okay. How many brother and sister do you have?
wa- uh, 3 and 5.
What is your rank in your family?
I am in the fourth mom.
You're the fourth. Okay, so in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience in the Philippines way back 2020 to 2022 for 2 years. In which place in the Philippines is it?
Mom here in my place. Baguio, mom.
Baguio. Okay. So can you share it with me? What are your duties or your responsibilities to your previous employment while you were working as a housemaid for 2 years?
I am working like take caring of children, take caring of babies, what doing doing household, doing household, cooking, and washing cars, mom, gardening.
You do laundry and ironing?
Yes, mom.
How old is the baby that you take care? How old is the children that you take care?
The children is 5 and the baby is newborn.
Okay. So you know that Faye is you need to be multitasking, right? This is your first time working abroad. Domestic helper is not that so very easy. Okay? Are you ready for any task that the
Yes,
employer will be given to you?
yes, mom.
Yes. Do you know that being a domestic helper is very tough?
Mom.
Do you know that being a domestic helper is not that so easy?
Yes, mom.
So are you ready?
Yes, mom.
Because you know, you might experience those unexpected things that you didn't experience in the Philippines, okay? So you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Because there is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only, okay? If there is baby, elderly, you need to assist also. Yeah? You need to take care of them also. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, ate?
Ma'am, no.
So are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you take your baby? Are you okay to take your baby? Are you okay to take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Ma'am?
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a 2 years contract, okay? It's not 2 days,
Okay,
it's
ma'am.
not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and definitely it's not 1 year. Any uncertain
Yes,
situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Okay? Nobody
yes, ma'am.
force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
None, ma'am.
No, so you in your
Yes,
usage
ma'am.
of mobile handphone,
Ma'am.
okay, usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you are allowed to use your phone during night time only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work, okay? On your rest day, you
Okay,
are
ma'am.
entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. You will going to stay inside the employer's house, but if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. You disagree is okay also. If you agree, then you need to follow our rules and regulations. You need to respect the employer because you're the one who will be working inside their premises for 2 years. You need to respect the culture also. This is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we might be the boss, yes, but in other countries, no such a thing because every country's got their own law. Don't bring the law of the Philippines in other countries, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so normally how do you fight your homesickness, knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will working quite far away from your family?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight homesickness?
Uh, by praying and doing my job.
Okay, so as I have mentioned, Fee, if any concern, any problem regarding about your employer, you inform your employer because you are the one who are working inside the premises, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
bye.